Did you know that the average American household carries over $100,000 in debt? If you live in the U.S., you're likely making one of the 5 huge debt mistakes we're about to cover, mistakes that are costing you thousands of dollars every single year. The good news? The fixes are simple, powerful, and you can start today. Stick around because mistake number 5 is the one that destroys most people's retirement plan. Welcome to the Wealth Canvas, your blueprint for financial mastery. My goal here is simple: to help you build generational wealth and live life on your own terms. Let's get started. Our first major mistake is ignoring the avalanche effect. Most people just focus on paying the smallest bills first, but the smart move is the debt avalanche strategy, attacking the debt with the highest interest rate first, regardless of the amount. Next, let's talk about misusing credit cards as income. Never treat your credit card limit as an expansion of your monthly paycheck. The powerful solution is to pay the full balance every month and build an adequate emergency fund to cover unexpected costs. Mistake number 3 is falling into the low minimum payment trap. Paying just the minimum is a recipe for lifelong debt. If possible, always pay twice the minimum. This simple habit drastically cuts down your repayment time and interest paid. Our fourth mistake, especially common in the U.S., is not negotiating medical bills. Medical debt can crush you, but hospitals are often willing to negotiate. Don't be afraid to call your provider and request a lower price or a payment plan. Finally, the biggest mistake: ignoring your credit score. A low score means high interest on major loans like mortgages or cars, costing you tens of thousands extra. You need to consistently monitor and manage your credit utilization to ensure your score keeps climbing. So, to quickly summarize the top 3 actions you need to take right now: 1. Attack your highest interest debt first using the avalanche method. 2. Build that emergency fund immediately. And 3. Call your providers and negotiate those bills. Remember, that is just a tool. Don't let it become your master. If this guide helped you start your journey toward financial freedom, give this video a like. It helps us reach more Americans who need this information. Don't forget to subscribe to the Wealth Canvas and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next deep dive into Roth IRA versus 401k. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.